let's do this. It's Vlogmas. I'm just sitting here and I decided that I would do Vlogmas. I'll at least attempt to vlog more often in December. It probably won't be every day, come on y'all. But I'm gonna try to do it often, and the vlogs will probably be short, but they will be up and it will be me. Those are the two things that will be guaranteed with this. So I'm just sitting here having some wine, and I got a candle lit, and I was trying to edit a video. I got back from IKEA today, bought some hangers and some other stuff for my bathroom. Dad is about to put the mirror up, and he's downstairs with his new dog that he just got, which is a Caucasian German Shepherd. Let's go see.
Nope.
There he is. His name is Maximus. His name is Maximus. There's Dad.
Who is it?
Anthony. He's a Caucasian German Shepherd. He came over to visit. Albino?
He's not albino. No? No. Well, you see his eyes? Them ain't albino eyes. He ain't albino. He's a recessive gene is what he is from his parents. Because his parents, he got the one brown and black daddy, and his mama is grayish, brownish, and lightish. Like, he's a recessive gene is what he is.
He is so cute and sweet. His little breath smells like coffee beans.
Pure white ones. Right?
Okay, you guys, and we also decorated for Christmas a little bit. My best friend came in town and helped me decorate, so we put some garland on the stairs, and we put up the 12-foot Christmas tree, which I love. We don't really have ornaments on it just yet, really, and I probably won't even add anymore. I'm just kind of over it. But Ann keeps pulling them down. And then I got this big nutcracker who is like life size. This thing is taller than me. See? He is taller than me. This thing is like almost 6 feet. I love it though. I got it from Home Goods. I was obsessed. I had to have it. And then we got new lights in the kitchen, you guys. We still have to paint the ceiling to match. But we're painting in here anyway, the entire house. So I told the guys not to even worry about it. But I went with copper. I'm doing copper accessories all through the kitchen because I realized I love it. So it's kind of like that rose gold. It's kind of like a natural rose gold copper is. So, and then we got the recessed lighting all throughout as well. So I'm obsessed. Oh, the refrigerator is open. Why? See, when Anthony puts away groceries, he just has everything open. Everything's open. Another thing we did is got some new furniture in here. We put up a tree in here as well. Hey, Annie Boo.
Come here.
Cousin Maine over there. Yeah, we put up the tree. This was the tree we always had. We put it up in here. Still got to get window treatments, so don't worry about that. And then we mounted the TV that Anthony got during Black Friday. And Dad and everybody, they are about to watch the fight. Who's fighting?
Deontay Wilder.
Right. So whoever, yeah, that guy. I'm not gonna probably watch this. I ordered me some food. I ordered some avocado toast, so that's what I'm about to eat. They ordered pizza, and they're about to watch this. And I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna chill. It's so loud in here. So I'm just up here working on my unboxing video for my November box. It's a little bit delayed because of the holiday, but it's coming. Definitely guaranteed before Christmas. So I'm just working on the edits for this. This video was so fun, you guys. I have balloons and everything. I'm excited. That damn dog gonna get on my nerves. Some cops came over to visit Anthony's friends from work. They came to the door and I was like, what did I do? Dad putting the cap in. Oh, nothing. Oh, that was simple.
Yeah. It looks so much better.
Yeah. My avocado toast is ready. Just delivered. I'm trying some new drink. Hold on. Arthur brought this. I don't even know what this is. It says cognac fine champagne. It's just a cognac though, right? Ann's favorite TV show. Masha and the Bear. Dad's putting the mirror up right now. So excited about it. This came from Home Depot. It's a Martha Stewart edition. Martha Living. She has really good stuff at Home Depot, you guys. Like everything from window treatments to closet systems, just all kinds of stuff. So this is the mirror that is getting put up, and we're doing it the horizontal way. What? That was so quick. I went over to look at the box and tell them where we got the mirror, and it's already up. Can't even believe this. Now we're just leveling it. You don't need the level? Well, you probably kind of don't, because you can really see it really good. You guys, I love this.
Together with you.